missing number. Next logic, that is degrees, missing number, and also in the decreasing order. The logic behind the numbers should be minus or divided by. Therefore, division, subtraction or division. So, considering this series of numbers, finding the difference between adjacent numbers, the difference is 11. 314 minus 325, 11. And similarly, these two numbers, 22. And similarly, the last two numbers, 55. Considering these numbers, we can get an idea 11, 22, 55. Therefore, the next should be 33. Next should be 33. And so when we add or subtract this number from 292, we will get 259, 259, 62, 149 and 292. Therefore, 33. And the next number should be, this difference will be 44. When we subtract this number, 9 minus 4, 5, 5 minus 4, 1, therefore 2. Therefore, this way, this is the order and this is the number left out. So, once we find the difference, then we will get the logic. And similarly, in the second case, we find the numbers are in the decreasing order and the difference is 2, 10, 2, 10. Very simple. The numbers are alternate. 2, 10, 2, 10. Next must be 2. So, less than 10. Less than 2. Therefore, 174 minus 2. 170 minus 10. 162 minus 2. Therefore, 160. Very simple problem. Next case, so this is a huge number. Consider only the first two digits. Leave this. You find the proportion. So nearly 2 times. So this is multiplied by 2 times, we will get this number. Similarly, considering this one, this is 3 times. And similarly, considering this one, this should be 4 times. The order should be and the next should be 5. Therefore, if we divide by this number by 2, if we divide, we will get this one. And similarly, if we divide this number by 3, we will get this one. If we divide by 4, divide by 4. 1 into 4, 10, 2 into 4, 8, 24, 6 into 4, 24. Therefore, automatically divided by 5. Then 2 into 5, 10, 26, 5, 1, 2, 252. Therefore, by dividing, this is the answer. Dividing by 6, we will get this answer. So, we can check up. That is 4 into 6, 24, 2 into 6, 12. Therefore, we will get this answer. So, this is the answer. So, this way, when huge numbers are given and also it is drastically reducing. So, in that case, we can consider the first two numbers and we can find the relationship between two numbers. So, that way we find it is divided by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, that means it is divided by 3, this is divided by 2. So, this is the logic behind this and we can find out the missing number. In the case of decreasing order, the numbers are given in the decreasing order, we can easily find out the answer. So, consider here the number varies from 1125 to 0.36. So, there is some logic. So, consider the first two numbers or one number, omitting the last two numbers. So, here first consider here this number is nearly 5 times. Therefore, this is divided by 5. By divided by 5, we will get this answer. Similarly, here, consider here, that is omitting this and the last, which is 5, multiplied by 5. Therefore, the adjacent numbers are divided by 5. So, here also divided by 5. Therefore, the answer is 9. Similarly, divided by 5, we will get 1.8 and again divided by 5, there is we will get 0.36. So, we can check up. So, therefore, this is the logic. So, by considering first two digits, we can find out the relationship and similarly we can apply. Multiplied means, so here multiplied means reducing, therefore, we have to divided by 5. So, by divided by 5, we will get the next number. So, that is the logic in this problem. Next one. So, here you multiply by 10, 334. So, here, now here multiplying by 10 we will get these numbers, and if we find the difference because it is decreasing order, 15, 334 minus 319, 15, similarly 289, so the difference is 30. And if we add these two numbers, we will get this one. Similarly, if we add these two numbers, we will get this number. That is 244. 289 minus 244, 45. And if we see the relationship between these numbers, it is varying in 15, 30, 45. Therefore, the next number must be 60. next number must be 60. Therefore, it is decreasing order. Decreasing order. We are reducing this number. Similarly, we have to reduce this number, that is 184. 184. And here we are multiplying by 10. Therefore, this answer must be divided by 10. Therefore, this is the answer. In this problem, we see the numbers 15, 18, 60, 19, that is shuffled. Actually, the numbers are shuffled. Therefore, if we see the numbers, alternatively the number is increasing. So 15, 16, 17, naturally we can find this number is 18. This would be 18. Directly we can find the answer is 15. Again we can check up 18, 19, 20 and the next number will be 21. So therefore the answer is only 18. We need not do this one, only check up. Therefore numbers are shuffled, we need not confuse, only we have to check up whether alternate numbers and different increasing or decreasing. So that way we have to find out the relation or logic, and if we find the logic it is very simple. Considering this problem 320, 319, 323, we see here it is decreasing and again it is increasing, decreasing, increasing. Therefore some logic, you alternatively where it is decreasing, you find plus 3, 320 plus 3, and alternatively, so here minus 5, 319 minus 5, 314, and similarly here plus 7, because plus, minus, plus, therefore next minus, and also this is 3, 5, 7, 9, odd numbers, 3, 5, 7, 9, these are all odd numbers, so here it should be 9. So when minus 9, so 309 minus 9, therefore the answer should be 305. So reducing minus 9, we will get 305. This is the answer for this problem. So alternate. So here the numbers are shuffled. So that is the difference. Here the missing number is given in different forms, and you have to find out the number missing in particular case. So considering these 4 numbers, what is the relation between these 4 numbers? If we see, if we multiply 3 and 4, that is 12, plus 7, 19. Therefore, 3 into 4 plus 7. So that is this number. So that is the logic. Similarly, if we see here 11 into 7, 77 plus 3, 80. Therefore, this is correct. Similarly, considering this case, the missing numbers are given in the different forms. 3 cases, and there are 4 numbers in each case. We have to find out the relationship between these numbers. Considering this case, 3 into 4 plus 7, 19. So if we consider multiplication or addition or subtraction, and we will get this number or squaring. So what is the simple relationship? Just by adding and multiplying and adding, we will get this number. So 3 into 4 plus 7, 19. So the same logic can be applied here also. 11 into 7, 77 plus 3, 18. Similarly here, 5 into 3, 15 plus 8, therefore 23. 23 is the answer. So here there are 4 options given. In examinations only options will be given, and we have to mark this option, B option. Similarly, next problem. Here there are 3 numbers. 3 numbers are given, and we have to find out the relationship between these 2 numbers. So here small numbers and here big number. Therefore, not multiplication sufficient. Therefore, something more than that, that is square. We can square and find 4 square minus 2 square. That is therefore 12. Similarly, we can apply here 5 square 25, 2 square minus 4, 21. This is correct. Similarly here 6 square 36, 4 square, therefore the answer is 20. So this is the option. The answer is, so missing number also can be given in different forms. Only the thing is we have to find out the relationship between the various numbers. Maybe addition, subtraction or square, but it will be very simple. Once if we are able to find out the relationship between the numbers in one case, then completely we can solve. It will not take much time. By solving more number of problems, easily we can find out the techniques. There are very few techniques. By learning the techniques, we can easily solve. So in this case, the missing number is given in the different forms. Consider this problem. 11, 37 and the missing number 23, 18, 10. So this is the number. So first we have to see crosswise what way it is related. If we consider crosswise, 11 into 2 plus 1, that is 23. We can check up. Similarly, 18 plus 2, 36 plus 1, therefore 37. So this is also correct. Therefore, this would be 2 into, that is 10 into 2 plus 1, that is 21. So this is the answer. This should be the answer. Therefore, A is the answer. So we have to check the relationship crosswise. So multiply by 2, 22 plus 1, 23. Similarly, if we multiply by 2, 36 plus 1, 37. Therefore, here 10 into 2, 20 plus 1, 21. Therefore, 21 is the option. In the second case, we see crosswise 1 into 4. This is 1 into 4. 1 into 4. Second, 2 into 3. 1 into 4. 2 into, that is opposite. 2 into 3. 6. Third, 1 into 9. So 1 into 4, 2 into 3, 6, 1 into 9, 4, 6, 9. So this is the logic. Similarly, here we can check 3 into 2, 6. Next 4 into 2, 8. 3 into 1, 3. Therefore, this logic is correct. Similarly, if we find here 1 into, that is here 9 into 1. 9 into 1, 9. Second, 3 into 1, 3. And third, 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 2, 8. Therefore, 938. Where is 938? Here. Option B is correct. So once we find the logic for one case, that can be applied to second one and verified, and we can apply to the problem. So here the missing number can be found out in the same procedure, and the missing number is, or the answer is B, 938. So this way we can find out opposite, both the cases opposite relationship, but in different way. So by doing more number of problems, easily we can understand.